Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your associated bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in associated bank login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option, Associated Bank Personal Banking. Click on it. It will take you to the official website of Associated Bank. And over here, you can see the login portal. Enter the username of your account over here. And in the password section, enter the password of your account. To confirm what you typed, you can click here on the eye icon. And click on sign in. You will be signed into your Associated Bank account. And in case if you guys forgot your username or password, you can click here forgot username and forgot password to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your associated bank account. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.